This is confusing to me, so we're going to live read this article on Billboard.com so we can understand. Drake, 6ix9ine, and more rappers listed as potential witnesses in X's murder trial. A defense attorney listed a handful of notable rappers, also including Quavo, Offset, late Migos rapper Takeoff, and Joe Budden, as witnesses in a court filing. So what the fuck does this mean? This move stems from unsubstantiated internet rumors that swirled following X's death in connection with Drake's 2017 beef over what the late artist believed to be a ripoff of his flow from his breakout track Look At Me on the OVO rappers KMT. A year after the drama, a story was posted to X's Instagram page that read, "If anyone tries to kill me, it was at Champagne Poppy," tagging Drake's Instagram handle. X claimed his account was hacked, and 4 months later, he was killed in Deerfield Beach, Florida.
Wow.
At a Thursday hearing reported on by the Miami Herald, prosecutors called the move a stunt, and Broward Circuit Judge Michael Usan demanded answers in writing as to why the superstars were relevant. This is also what I was wondering. Prosecutors also noted that the defense did not provide addresses where the notable celebs could be served subpoenas or any contact information. So what? They're in trouble for not having Drake's phone number. It is apparent from the deliberate late disclosure of the defendant's witness and comments made between the parties that the defendant intended to surprise the state and create a trial by ambush. The amended witness list was submitted by Miami defense attorney who is representing 27-year-old blah, blah, the alleged getaway driver. They denied the claims, blaming delayed depositions. These are high-profile people, and it's not easy for me to subpoena. I don't have numbers, but it doesn't mean I won't be able to. Trying to subpoena Drake is not easy. You need a drone. See? That's what I was thinking.
This is a non-story, right? Like,
Nah.
The All-Star rappers being listed as potential witnesses does not mean that they would be obligated to show up to court. Their appearance would be contingent upon whoever providing relevance, which remains to be seen. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of confusing to me because, all right, like the Drake one is kind of easy to hone in on what that could be about because there's always been this little conspiracy theory that Drake had X killed because he was talking shit about his mom, which, you know, I've heard people try to put the pieces together on how exactly that might have worked, and it's a struggle fest, to be honest. But then Quavo, Offset, Joe Budden.
Yeah.
What the fuck could Joe Budden possibly have to do with this?
Quavo upset like jumped X though.
yeah, exactly, a long time ago. But that has nothing to do with the Drake situation.
And how are they witnesses?
And
so
that's what I was
Just
confused.
because they previously had a physical interaction with him.
Here's why though, right? It's like kind of like the Tory case, right? Like where like his defense comes and they're given like different storylines that could possibly be it, and say, listen, my client didn't kill X, and here are alternative theories. And then based on those like alternative theories, they now have to bring people who can, you know, say, listen,
Right.
Oh my god.
Drake could have killed him, Migos could have killed him.
Okay,
and
but
here are the theories.
as extreme as it seems, like, okay, the Drake thing, at least you're like, okay, so they're going to try to make the argument that maybe these guys were paid by Drake to kill him. Like maybe they would introduce that idea to sort of muddy the waters. I guess that's like imaginable, but doesn't seem like it would really go too far. But then how the fuck do you land on the Migos and Joe Budden and 6ix9ine, who like clearly had nothing to do with this in any way? It's just sort of bizarre. When I saw this on the news, I'm like, how the fuck is this a real story?
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
It feels like a complete non-story.
Well, here, so like 6ix9ine, I think I understand more because I think like 6ix9ine like spoke about how like him and X like talked about the various beefs that X was going through, and they talked about like how, right, you know, about Drake, about the Migos, et cetera, right? So maybe 6ix9ine could come and testify towards his beefs with Drake.
Oh, whether it was like official beef or not.
Now,
and all that stuff.
Now Joe Budden, I'm not sure.
That would be such a weird case, and I feel like a waste of taxpayers' money because it's just like we know who did it, we know what happened. Basically, seems pretty clear cut.
Yeah, I mean, it's just about the weirdest thing that you could ever imagine.
Is that like Billboard's fault, or is that the fucking attorney's fault for filing such a weird ass false claim? Billboard's gonna report on it, you know what I mean? But like, why would that lawyer do that? Like, that seems ridiculous,
bro. Listen, like the goal is once you go to court, you trying to paint as many alternative theories that could have happened, and your client being innocent. So,
but is this like a new style of handling a murder case? Because I don't like remember this being necessarily how most of these situations played out.
Yeah.
I don't know.